Welcome to the Longlive tutorial video where we unlock the full potential of the app's features for your maximum benefit. Let's learn how to connect Longlive Watch to the app. Before you start, make sure your Longlive app is up to date so you don't miss out on any new features. Also, check that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network with your Bluetooth turned on. Lastly, ensure that your watch is charged for a seamless connection. If someone in your family also has a Longlive watch, remember to connect your app to the correct one. To do this, swipe left on your watch 3 times. Tap on More. Go to Settings. Scroll down to About. And find your device name. This name will also show up on the Longlive app when connecting. Where your watch, open the Longlive app and go to the My Health screen where you'll see the watch icon. Click on Connect Now to pair your watch. When you see a pop-up displaying the device's name, click on it and your watch will be successfully connected. Make sure you keep your phone close to your device throughout the process. After connecting your watch, you'll be able to see all your health data tracked by your Longlive watch on your My Health screen, including your step count, sleep data, and health vitals such as heart rate, oxygen saturation, blood pressure and body temperature. Curious about how it works in action? Let's explore the heart rate measurement together. Swipe left on the home screen to locate the heart rate measuring screen and keep your hand still for a few seconds. Your watch will transfer the live data to the app, which you can see on your My Health screen. Explore the Smartwatch features effortlessly with simple swipes. Swipe right to view your sleep insights and explore more screens to track your health vitals. In your settings on the last screen, you can easily change your screen background and the information displayed there. Make sure your health data is up to date by tapping Synchronize Watch Data periodically throughout the day. Now your Longlive watch is connected and ready to go. We hope Longlive becomes your best companion in your everyday wellness journey. Please leave your feedback in the app feedback section
in your profile and follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram to see what Longlive's team is up to and to keep in touch.